Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShaveProducts.com, and today we're going to show you how to actually use the safety razor on yourself. Joe over here, he works with us at Easy Blade. He never used the safety razor in his life, and he wanted to try it out, so we figured we'll do a video on it. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to coach him through it. So all you guys that give us phone calls and ask us, is the safety razor really safe? Now you're going to see somebody that's actually going to use it for the first time, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Check it out. Joe, if you're ready, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to load that safety razor first. So the first thing you're going to do is unscrew the safety razor, and you're going to go ahead and load the razor in there. Take your time. And when you grab the razor, the actual razor blade, you're going to go ahead and just load it correctly. Yep, screw it off like that. Take the top off. Yep, take it apart like that. And you're going to open up your double edge razor. Be careful with that. Yep. Be very careful. Grab it by the sides, not the top where the razor's at. Yep. And now you're just going to place that in those holes right there. Yep, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and put that on top. All right, now just screw it back on there. Hold the side of the blade. Yeah, don't make sure you don't want to cut yourself. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and prep your face. We're going to start off with a shave oil, followed by a hot towel. Then we're going to go ahead after that hot towel. We're going to put on the shaving cream, and then you're going to begin to shave. All right, Joe. So I noticed the facial hair on your face is a little bit longer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a 1 and just lighten up your hair. So you can go ahead and grab that machine right there. There's already a 1 on there, and you can go ahead and just turn it on and lighten up the hair on your face. All right, Joe, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab our PreShave Oil. So we're gonna put that on our face first. And then you're gonna put a couple squirts of that, and you're gonna rub it all over your beard, circular motion, while lifting the hair on your face. All right, Joe, go ahead, grab that shave oil. So you can put about 2 squirts there. You can rub it in your hands and then apply it to your face. Mustache. Chin. Now that you applied the shave oil, what that did was soften your beard, it softened your skin, and it prepared your face for a shave. Now you're going to do is you're going to apply a hot towel, then we're going to follow that with a shave cream, and then we're going to start the shave. Is that good? Oh yeah. What you're going to do is you can go ahead and hold that hot towel for about a minute or so, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply some shaving cream, and you're good to go. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and grab that brushless shaving cream, and you're going to go ahead and apply that to your face, rubbing the circular motions, lift the hair on your face, and that's going to loosen up just like when you regularly shave. I know you use this shave cream already, but it's just different with the razor. It's just going to be a different experience. So you can go ahead and apply that about an almond size amount. There you go. Apply it on your face. What that's going to do is soften the hair, basically. Make sure you're lifting the hair on your face as well. All right, Joe, now that you've applied the shaving cream, you got a nice lather there, I can see. You want to go ahead and grab your safety razor, and you want to hold it at a 30-degree angle. Choose the part of your sideburn that you want to basically cut off. Let me see, make sure you're doing that right. Yep, you want to hold it right there. Then you want to just come straight down, apply a little bit of pressure. Stay with the hair. There you go. Stay with the hair. Follow the way the hair is growing, basically, as you can see. How does it feel?
It feels pretty smooth.
Yeah. Just follow the way the hair is growing. And as you get more comfortable with it, you can go ahead and apply more pressure, but it seems like it's pretty good to me. And as your razor gets clogged, just go ahead and put it inside the bowl. All right, so see you got a little nick, that's fine. Not a big deal. It's not like you hurt yourself like that, it's fine. This is real, man, this is real TV. All right, just be careful. As you get towards the jawline, just make sure that you start to, follow the skin, follow where the jaw is going. All right, there you go. That's not even a big deal, man. It's a little nick. It's not like you're like really cut or anything like that. It's totally normal. Anyway, guys, as you see, something like that can happen, but as you can see, it's not like a straight razor. Joe didn't really rip his skin apart. So what we're gonna do is grab one of those napkins and just tap it, and we'll show that it's not a real cut. I think people will probably think that's a real cut. There you go. There you go. Look, no big deal. All right, so just continue to do the same thing. People nick themselves all the time. Just take your time. Make sure that skin is stretched. Make sure your neck is high. There you go. Just follow where the hair is growing. How you feel? Nervous?
Feel good. A little nervous.
Sound like you don't like that little nick there, huh?
Yeah.
Hey man, this is real. That's for people using it the first time.
A little disappointed in myself, but you know. I don't feel any pulling.
It's definitely good. Skin as well, because you're not using so many razors, you're only using one razor, so it's really, really good for you. As you guys can see, let's go a little closer. That was just a tiny little nick that he got, so don't get discouraged because of that. You can basically nick yourself just using a regular razor, correct, Joe? Have you ever cut yourself?
It's happened to all of us.
Yeah, exactly. So, you starting to feel a little more comfortable with it, or?
Yeah, definitely feel like I'm getting the swing of things here.
All right, so let's go to the other side of the face. Over the heart, same thing. Same way, take your time. Remember, you got the sharp jawline, so you want to be very careful. Make sure you figure out which part of the sideburn you want to take off. This way it's even with the other side. So talk about your experience there, Joe.
Well, never shaved on camera before. It's a little difficult. The razor, I would say, feels it just feels smooth. Sometimes with the other razors, it feels like I gotta really, go at it.
Yeah. So right here, you're only using one blade. That blade will last you a couple shaves, which is pretty cool. And yeah, get 100 pack of those and you're good. So basically, guys, shaving with a safety razor is all about stretching the skin. Joe here has a pretty tight face, pretty sharp jaw. He doesn't have to do too much stretching, but if you're a person that has more skin on your face, you want to just make sure that you're stretching that skin at all times. Even out your sideburns, like he did. You see he has a nice sharp cut right there on the sideburns. And you want to just keep going over until you get all the hair. I mean, once you're a pro, like most of the guys you guys probably see on YouTube, you'll be able to just go over this nice and fast. But again, this is Joe's first time, and we wanted to do it raw because we wanted to show you guys the real. All right, Joe, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab an aftershave, and this is our aftershave tonic that's packed with tea tree, jojoba, and it's good for stuff like that, like with the little cut you got on your face. You're gonna go ahead and just spray down on there. That little, spray it all over your face. Yep, and you can go ahead and rub that in, that's good. Go ahead and rub that in, that's gonna heal, that's gonna balance the pH back on your face. Pretty good for your skin, nice and healing. That's what you want to do. And then the next thing you're going to do to soften that skin and also apply some vitamins to your skin, you're going to grab the aftershave lotion. You're going to take a tiny bit and you're going to go ahead and put that on your face. Just take about a fingertip and you're gonna go ahead and put that on your face. Just rub it in there. And make sure you put that on top of the bump, you know, anywhere you had cuts, scrapes, wounds, and it happens.
Like I said, it felt a lot easier, no pulling. It just felt like I really had more control in the shave. I would definitely try it again.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We wanted to do something raw and in your face, something authentic. We didn't want to chop it up. We kind of wanted to put the camera in his face. As you can see, it was his first time. As you know, he nicked himself a little bit. But you can see the nick is gone. Nothing, you know, nothing really happened. So guys, don't be scared. We get phone calls all the time when people ask us, you know, should I use it? They're kind of nervous. And we're working on teaching Joe how to use a straight razor. So stick around for that video if you guys are interested. You can go to easybladeshavingproducts.com, get some products, or you can just subscribe to our channel and look forward to watching Joe learn how to use a straight razor, which is going to be pretty more tough. I wanted to start him with the safety razor first. He actually came to us and wanted to use the straight razor, but we said, yeah, we're going to go ahead and do something simple first, use the safety razor. And as you can see, a little bit of nick, and you guys got to give it a try. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, go to easybladeshavingproducts.com, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Jay here. Joe, you want to give him a peace?
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.